Hello, I'm Dr. Petrache, diabetologist. Today I'm talking about what measures you can take to protect your eyes from diabetes. Diabetic retinopathy is a common complication of diabetes, being one of the leading causes of blindness among diabetics. High blood sugar can damage the blood vessels inside the eye. The damage caused by diabetic retinopathy is unfortunately usually permanent. Let's see what you need to do to avoid the eye damage caused by diabetes. First of all, you should go to the eye doctor regularly and have an eye exam. During the exam, the doctor visualizes the retina and establishes both a diagnosis and the frequency of the following checkup, as well as an effective treatment plan. The second important step is to keep your blood sugar normal. Regular exercise, healthy eating, medication, and regular blood glucose monitoring are excellent steps for optimal control and a healthy lifestyle. According to the American Diabetes Association, people with high blood sugar are 4 times more likely to develop retinopathy. In addition to regular visits to the doctor and keeping your blood sugar normal, you need to constantly monitor your cholesterol and blood pressure. Changes in the retina can also happen due to high blood pressure. This condition is called hypertensive retinopathy and can lead to the blockage of arteries or veins in the retina. Make sure you monitor your blood pressure and take care of your health. Reduce caffeine, quit smoking, limit alcohol consumption, reduce dietary salt, and consult your doctor regularly. Nutrition will greatly help protect your eyes. Use the correct plate method. Fill half of the plate with watery vegetables such as cabbage, spinach, cucumbers, Brussels sprouts, carrots, tomatoes, or broccoli. A quarter of the plate should have meat, fish, tofu, eggs, nuts, or other protein-rich foods. Reserve a quarter for bread, starch, or cereal, another quarter for dairy, and a quarter for fruit. Use small amounts of healthy fats for cooking or include nuts, seeds, or avocados in your diet. Last but not least, regular exercise will help regulate your blood sugar levels. Exercise improves both respiratory and cardiovascular function, as well as flexibility and muscle health. Moderate intensity activities such as walking or cycling are a great option for you. That's about it for today. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel for the latest and most useful information. Until next time, take care of your body and soul.